Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'll show you a few of my favorite low impact exercises in the water that are easy on your joints. If you're someone who suffers from regular knee pain, hip pain, or lower back pain, these exercises I'm about to show you will help keep your joints happy without sacrificing a good workout in the pool. And let's get started.
The first thing you'll want to know is the right water depth for your workout. For low joint impact, you'll want to have the water line between your navel and chest. The closer to chest deep, the easier on your joints, since you'll have more buoyancy counteracting gravity. As our warm-up, we begin with walking across the pool. You'll be able to add some intensity while keeping your joints happy just by going faster with your walk. It's important to keep long levers, meaning long arms and open palms as you walk through the water. This will create more drag. And we'll spend about 3 minutes with our walk. You can experiment with going backwards and sideways too.
Moving on to the next exercise, jogging on the spot. For focus on low joint impact, we'll keep our knees lower and instead bring up the speed. As a side note, Aquafit is adjustable to your level of fitness and you can adjust the speed as well as the range of motion.
Continuing to jog on the spot, we'll do a couple different arm movements. And then we'll do some travel jog around the pool going forward, then backward, and even sideways. For the entirety of our jog and jog variations, you can spend about 5 minutes or so here.
By now, you'll notice your heart rate going up, and this is great for both an aerobics and resistance routine while keeping the exercises low impact on your joints. Next up, be sure to find a spot in the water that's about mid-belly to chest deep, and we'll target core, hip, mobility balance, and leg strength with a straight leg kick, dragging through the water in front and back.
With this exercise, use your hands and arms to assist with your balance in the water with sculling. Engage your core and maintain a good posture. And with a single leg, continuously drag or kick up in front and then back for 20 reps, and then switch sides for another 20 reps. This exercise is excellent for hamstring and glute strengthening, as well as helping to target hip joint mobility. You'll also get a nice hamstring stretch each time you raise your leg out in front.
After you've completed your full 40 reps, let's jog on the spot again to bring up your heart rate and keep moving.
And after a minute, we'll switch up our jog with a heel-to-glute kick. This will activate your posterior leg muscles, including your calves, hamstrings, and your glutes. You'll be the best judge for your own range of motion, but if you can, try to make heel to glute contact with each kick without hurting your knees, of course.
Jogging is great to start with to add in a few different arm movements. Try a forward push-pull motion with open palms for more resistance, and if you're feeling up to it, get that water splashing and make some white water.
When doing heel to glute kicks, try doing the breaststroke with your arms. This will engage your entire posterior plane and help strengthen your back muscles and muscles in the back of your legs. This is great for strengthening your hamstrings, glutes, lats, and rhomboids while helping to stretch your anterior plane muscles, the front of your body, including your pectorals.
For many people, anterior muscles are tight and the posterior muscles are weak, which slumps us forward and makes for bad posture. Spend about 2 to 4 minutes and then let's take it to a ski on the spot.
For the lowest impact on your joints, slide your feet along the pool bottom and maintain long arms and legs. Keep your palms open and feel that water resistance as you move through the water, especially as you increase the speed. Here we can do a couple variations of the ski where we bring our arms in, reaching out to the side and then pulling the water in. You can do this with both arms together or with alternating arms. And then try the reverse by pushing water away from you and towards the back to target shoulders and back muscles too.
Spend a few minutes doing the ski and its variations. As an aside, many of these exercises can be done traveling through the pool. And now let's take it to the Jax on the spot.
With long arms and legs, you'll be able to maintain lower impact on your joints as you slide your feet along the bottom of the pool. There are a few variations you can try when it comes to the Jax. The first is bringing your palms together in front, starting from the water surface, and then doing the same motion behind to target posterior muscles like your lats. Don't forget to travel jacks for some more fun and resistance in the water.
I've got 2 more exercises that you can do for an effective all-around great Aquafit workout that's easier on your joints. The next is the rocking horse.
Range of motion is the name of the game. Engage your entire body and feel the resistance as you move through the water. Try a 20 rep scheme where you keep one leg going forward and the other leg going backward for 20 reps, and then switch sides for another 20 reps. You can try a couple variations too. As you move forward, engage your biceps and chest muscles with a strong forward scoop with open palms, and as you push down and back, engage your lats and triceps with palms down.
And finally, my last exercise you can try is the pendulum.
Range of motion and long arms and legs is your friend when it comes to water training exercises. Keep an open palm as you drag your arms through the water from side to side, and try to get your leg up as close to the water surface as you can. Remember to engage your core for a full body workout.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed these low impact Aquafit exercises. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. Try these the next time you hit the pool, and until next time, keep on splashing.